169 new jobs in Wisconsin.
Once again, Joe takes credit for business reopening after COVID and says they're newly created jobs.
You sit on a throne of lies.
We need a replacement for this clown.
We get look, we now have, before the recession, before the pandemic.
Calling Biden a competent president is like calling Kamala Harris a competent vice president.
Oh, yes.
What's wrong with him?
Now what?
It costs $10 to make it. $10 to make it.
No, I don't want you.
One or
No.
two marbles rattling around in the void
Go get
between
the
his
can.
ears. I think I need a translator because I understand a shit from what he's saying.
No. No.
$1 billion.
I don't want you. No. I don't want you on me.
At this point,
No.
with this unmitigated disaster of a geriatric president, all I can say is I didn't vote for